Public land occurs at various levels in a city. Unfortunately, not all public spaces find a meaning or a function to it. There are certain spaces which remain unused, underutilized, or are abandoned. These are reserve lands, fallow lands, vacant lands, polluted properties. These occur because of some planning flaw of land use or are infrastructure voids along the railway track or high tension lines, or they are also geographic voids which occur around physical features like river, water bodies, watershed areas, or even low-lying areas. Unfortunately, because such spaces are not part of the urban system, they remain derelict, they are neglected, and eventually become waste dumping yards such as this, or are even encroached upon. So should we not find a more meaning to these vast tracts of underutilized public good, which is otherwise a very important part of land resource, urban land, which is so expensive and difficult to get? Let's see how we can do this. We tried a way. We are currently standing at one such infrastructure void, which is basically Western Railway's plot of land around the DRM office, Asarwa, just near the Kalupur railway station. Here we have tried creating a very biodiverse, rich forest developed by Miyawaki method using 40 different species which are of medicinal properties. A lot of them are fruit bearing and flowering species. There will be around 2200 trees in an 800 square meter plot, and as you can see, the forest is in its making. Like in any natural forest, we have created 4 layers of shrubs, subtrees, trees and canopy layers. Some of the native species which are best suited as per the agroclimatic zone in which we are Bilipatra, Borsuli, Shetur, Khijdo, Kesudo, Nagod, Guava, Rayan, Arduso, Shisham, Charoli, Karanj, Imli, Word, Umbro, Deshi Bawar, etc. The idea is that we create a mixed forest of slow growing and fast growing species, of flowering and fruit bearing species, of nut bearing and fragrant species. Some are of medicinal value while some yield economic byproducts like gum and timber. So the idea is that which was otherwise an unused railway property is now going to get converted into a healthy, happy ecosystem of natural forest.